Hey there, it's Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today we're making diamond ring cookies. And if you love sugar cookies, or you want to learn how to decorate sugar cookies, or just find some inspiration, you're in the right place. So about a month or so ago, I went live and showed you how I added a fake airbrush look to the edge of these cookies, and I'm finally getting around to editing and posting the video. I apologize for it taking so long, but we are finally here. So to outline this cookie, I just touched down with my 15-second icing, lifted up my bag a little bit, and I'm going slowly around this cookie. This is real time. And then I'm going to stop squeezing and touch the line down. And then I'll flood in the cookie with the same exact icing. I'm going to go around the cookie, but not all the way up to the edge. And I'll just flood this in, and then I'll use my scribe to get the icing all the way to the edge. Now, as you're using your scribe and you're moving your icing around, if your scribe is scratching against the cookie with every movement, then you need to add some more flood icing to your cookie. And I just gave it a little shake and tapped that little peak down, and I let my cookie dry completely. And then this is what I was demonstrating in the live video. It's much better quality if you go back and you watch that. I just took some gel food color mixed in with some food grade glycerin, and I went around the edge with that, and then I used a dry brush to blend it in. And once it dries, it really does look like I have an airbrushed edge. And then I have some gray icing here. I'm just going to make the ring band going across in an oval pattern. And then I'll let that dry completely, and I'm going to come back in and cover it with some silver edible paint. I'm using a detailed paintbrush here, and I'm just staying on top of this line of royal icing. If I do get some on the cookie, I can use a dampened paintbrush where I wipe up all of the water onto a paper towel and then brush away any mistakes I made. And I made these royal icing transfers in another video. You can find the link for that in the description. I'm just going to add a little bit of royal icing to the back and stick it on, and these cookies are done. And you can also put a little dab on the cookie and apply your transfer that way. I think these came out really elegant, and adding that touch of color just around the edge really added to that vintage feel. And I'll be making videos for the rest of this set, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss them when I get them posted. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful and enjoyable, and I'll see you in the next one.